Welcome to Hintac AI, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future of filmmaking with 5 groundbreaking AI tools that are set to revolutionize the film industry. From automating tedious tasks to unlocking unprecedented creative possibilities, AI is changing how movies get made. We're talking next-level stuff here, people AI that writes scripts, directs actors, even predicts box office success, all while you kick back and sip your coffee. Okay, maybe not that easy, but we're getting close. So, buckle up as we explore these 5 AI tools that are changing the game for filmmakers of all levels, from aspiring auteurs to Hollywood heavyweights. Let's get to it. First up, we've got Deep Story, an AI-powered screenwriting tool that's like having a brainstorming partner on steroids. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, the dreaded writer's block setting in. But fear no more, because Deep Story is here to help you craft engaging narratives. Deep Story uses the power of machine learning to analyze tons of successful movie scripts. It's like it's read every screenplay ever written and knows exactly what works and what doesn't. Based on its analysis, Deep Story can generate fresh ideas, plot points, and even dialogue to help you get your story off the ground. Think of it as a supercharged muse, sparking your creativity and helping you overcome writer's block. But Deep Story isn't just about churning out generic storylines. It allows you to input your own ideas, characters, and themes so you can maintain your unique voice and vision. You're the director of your own cinematic masterpiece, and Deep Story is your trusty co-writer. And the best part, Deep Story is constantly learning and evolving. As it analyzes more scripts, its storytelling abilities get even sharper. Imagine the possibilities, AI collaborating with human creativity to push the boundaries of storytelling. Now, some might say, but can AI really replace human screenwriters? And that's a valid question. While AI like Deep Story is an incredible tool, it's important to remember that filmmaking is a deeply human art form. It's about emotions, connections, and the power of storytelling to move audiences. And that's where human screenwriters will always have the edge, in their ability to infuse stories with heart, humor, and that special something that resonates with us on a human level. So think of Deep Story as a powerful ally, not a replacement. It's here to augment your creativity, not stifle it. It's about empowering filmmakers with the tools they need to tell stories that matter. Let's talk about Runway ML. A creative suite of AI tools that's like having a VFX studio at your fingertips. It generates stunning visual effects and animates characters with lifelike precision. Runway ML is a game changer for filmmakers of all budgets, especially indie creators. It levels the playing field, giving everyone access to cutting-edge technology. One of the coolest things is generating realistic animations from simple sketches or text prompts. Type in a giant robot walking through a city and Runway ML creates a convincing animation. It also handles subtle tasks like removing unwanted objects or color grading scenes. The possibilities with Runway ML are endless. With Runway ML, the only limit is your imagination. It's an ever-evolving toolkit pushing the boundaries of filmmaking. Chapter 3. Now, this next one is wild. Let's talk about Synthesia, an AI video generation platform that's changing the game when it comes to casting, filming, and even directing. Imagine creating high-quality videos with actors that don't exist in the real world. That's what Synthesia brings to the table. With Synthesia, you can choose from a diverse library of AI-generated actors, each with their own unique look, voice, and personality. Need a charismatic lead for your rom-com? Synthesia's got you covered. How about a grizzled detective for your gritty crime thriller? They've got that too. But it's more than just having AI actors, you can actually direct them. You can type in the dialogue you want them to say, adjust their facial expressions, and even control their body language, all without ever stepping foot on a physical set. This is huge for filmmakers, especially those working with limited budgets and resources. Synthesia eliminates the need for expensive casting calls, location shoots, and even some of the logistical headaches that come with traditional filmmaking. Now, some of you might be thinking, wait, but what about the human element? Won't using AI actors make films feel less authentic? And that's a fair point. But think about it this way, synthesia isn't about replacing human actors altogether. It's about expanding the possibilities of storytelling. It's about giving filmmakers more creative control and flexibility in bringing their visions to life. Plus, there are situations where using AI actors might actually be preferable. For example, if you're creating a historical drama, synthesia can help you recreate the likeness of historical figures with incredible accuracy. Or if you're working on a project that requires actors to speak multiple languages, synthesia can generate actors who are fluent in any language you need. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Chapter 4. All right, let's face it, editing can be the most tedious part of the filmmaking process, but what if I told you there's an AI-powered tool that can handle a lot of the heavy lifting for you? That's where Magisto comes in. Magisto is like having a professional editor working alongside you, analyzing your footage, making cuts, and even adding music and transitions. It's like magic, but it's actually really smart AI at work. You simply feed Magisto your raw footage, tell it what kind of video you're going for, like a trailer, a social media clip, or a longer form piece. And the AI takes it from there. Magisto analyzes your footage for things like faces, objects, and action. It understands the emotional tone of your clips and can even identify the most important moments in your story. Based on all this analysis, Magisto edits your footage together, adds transitions, and even throws in some music to create a polished final product. And the best part, it does all of this in a fraction of the time it would take a human editor. Now, I know what you're thinking, but won't it just create a generic cookie-cutter video? And that's a valid concern. But Magisto actually gives you a surprising amount of control over the final product. You can choose from different editing styles, adjust the pacing and the music, and even go in and make your own tweaks to the AI's edits. It's like having an assistant editor who's really good at taking direction. So whether you're a seasoned filmmaker looking to streamline your workflow, or a complete beginner who's intimidated by the thought of editing, Magisto is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 5. This last one is less about the creative process and more about the business side of Hollywood, which, let's be real, is a huge part of filmmaking. So let's talk about Scriptbook, an AI tool that's aiming to predict the success of a film before it even hits theaters. I know what you're thinking. Predicting the future of a movie? That's impossible. And you're not wrong. Predicting the fickle tastes of audiences is notoriously difficult, but Scriptbook is using the power of AI to make surprisingly accurate predictions. Here's how it works. Scriptbook analyzes a film's script, looking at things like the plot, the characters, the dialogue, and even the genre. It then compares this data to a massive database of past films, looking for patterns and trends. Based on this analysis, Scriptbook can estimate a film's box office potential, its target audience, and even its chances of winning awards. It's like having a crystal ball that can see into the future of Hollywood. Now, before you start thinking Scriptbook is going to replace Hollywood executives altogether, it's important to remember that filmmaking is still a creative industry. There's always an element of risk involved, and no algorithm can perfectly predict what audiences will connect with. But Scriptbook can be an incredibly valuable tool for filmmakers and studios, providing them with data-driven insights that can help them make more informed decisions about which projects to greenlight, how to market their films, and even how to tweak their scripts to appeal to a wider audience. In a way, Scriptbook is democratizing the film industry, giving independent filmmakers access to the same kind of data analysis that was once only available to big studios. And who knows, maybe one day, Scriptbook will help discover the next Hollywood blockbuster. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible AI tools that are transforming the film industry. From AI screenwriters to AI-powered video editors, these tools are empowering filmmakers of all levels to push creative boundaries and tell stories in ways that were previously unimaginable. It's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for, well, less good. It's up to us, the creators, to use these powerful technologies responsibly and ethically. But one thing's for sure, the future of film is here, and it's powered by AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you in the next one.